mobile phones to collect data, but the way it works is that
kuringana na riboti irekereirio ni gikundi gia Twaweza East Africa yonanitie wici niguo gwati munene hari ugitiri wa bururi. Gicunji kia 40 gia Kenya gikiuga ni gikirite wira wici ukihanika guku gicunji gia 10 gigikora hatika-ini ya kuhiundu ciao muthenya barigici.
Theft is a major problem. People stealing things here and there.
Gicunji kia 53 kia andu aria maikaraga icagi-ini gikauga ni kiiganire na utungata wa maabitha borithi guku gicunji kia 43 kia andu aria maikaraga matauni-ini gikiuga gitiganire na utungata wa borithi.
Citizens are satisfied with the police force. 1 out of 3 are not. And perhaps that explains why 51% are saying the crimes are always reported. There is that looking forward to that service, or looking forward, or it is the one place you can get some help if at all it's going to happen.
Gicunji kia 73 gikauga ateti na andu aria maigueta bururi-ini riria manyitikana na mahitia matikinyukagirio ikinya ria kiwatho ukiringithanio na gicunji kia 88 kiria kirauga mukenya wa kawaida riria agarara watho ni akinyukagirio ikinya irumu ria kiwatho.
Mr. Rateng, my brother or my sister, has committed a crime, and because we don't know people in high places, it means the law is going to be very harsh on us. So if it means my neighbor or the other complainant is connected to the MCA, to the senator, the member of parliament, the government official somewhere, the perception is that they are likely to get away with it. And that perception is not just because it's a perception, but it's probably happening. These are realities.
Gicunji kia 78 kia andu ni kiugite gikundi kia Al-Shabaab ni ugwati munene hari ugitiri wa bururi guku gicunji gia 10 gikiuga ti ugwati munene kuri bururi, noho gicunji kia 78 kia andu gikendekithia maabitha mbiraro a Kenya guikara bururi-ini wa Somalia niguo kugacirithia ugitiri.
Al-Shabaab is still a serious threat to Kenya. Remember, we have not had serious attacks in the last few months, but that feeling still exists.
Hari korona kiria gicungagiriria mbeu njithi kuingiria ikundi-ini cia wikinai, gicunji kia 50 gikauga ni wagi wa mawira guku gicunji kia 23 gikiuga ni ukoroku wa kwenda mbeca cia raithi.
We can deal with a lot of problems in this country if we resolve issues to do with income. It is not just employment, but income opportunities. How do we create income opportunities for our citizens in terms of manufacturing, agriculture, farming, and also, of course, those creating other jobs opportunities.
Areta njira ya kunyihia uhaguku ugitiri gikundi giki ni kiuririe thirikari kuheana mieke ya mawira kuri mbeu njithi na ho kuongerera maabitha borithi matauni-ini undu umwe na ceceni cia borithi matura-ini niguo gutigirira ugitiri ni wagacira na njira njega. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.